Hi guys, Jeff from Discovery Floats, and today I'm going to take you through a 2-horse straight load. It's basically been taken off our Ultima floor plan, but we've extended it and customised it according to clients' requests. So I guess going down here you can see it's quite a large float. Got all the standard checker plating, 2 external feed holders, 2 recessed tie-ups. Sliding windows here, we've got quarter windows that slide and open, and the same in the door. Coming around the back, I'll show you around here. So we've got, as I said, 2 halls. It's got the full dividing wall with door access into the front area, all padded dividers, the breaching gates. We've got internal feed holders and recessed tie-ups to each side, 4 pop-up vents in the roof. Coming around the driver's side, see we've also alloy wheels, and here we've got an external tack cupboard that we've created, so all with bridle hooks and so on, gas strutted. Holds a bit of storage. Coming around to the front of the float, or inside the front. You can see in here we've created a bit of a living zone with 4 removable saddle racks at this area. This is the external tack cupboard that I showed you. On the top we've created a half-hanging wardrobe. Space there. Rug rack all done to the client's specs, and the seating area on the front here, which has a drawer. We've got storage compartments here. We've got 240 volt power, USB ports, so we've got a battery pack running off it, and then we've created some shelving here that the client requested. A couple of bridle hooks on the door, and again the door leading into the horse zone. Yeah, great float, nice and spacious, and yeah, really nice. So give us a call when you get a moment. Okay, bye.